Ano, mga spice stores na andito. So makakabili tayo ng mga spices. Grabe spices dito. Para mga sabon. I think these are all salts. Thank you. Wow. Look at that. Mga spices. Thank you. So ito na sila. Spices. Hello. Welcome to my channel in YouTube. Okay. So puro sila candy dito. Candy. Ganda ng mga ilaw, oh. Oh, nice. Mga ilaw. At mga spices din. Mayroon silang mga drinks dito. Ito na mga nila, alahas. Ito mga crystals. Mga dried. So we have spices, 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 puro spices. Baklava. Ito, mayroon. Kita ko na. Ito, nilalangaw sila. I'm with them. 1, 2, 3. My family. Hello. Yeah, very handsome. Very handsome. Okay. Order. Ay, no. So ito. What's that, Elaine? Fig?
You see? Also this fig Iranian
Why is this fig?
Yeah, it's fig. This is strong. Put in the milk, water, after coming good flour and soap. After you eat.
Tingnan, tikim. Tikim.
Kaya mo na lahat.
Ano ka?
Not like this directly. Just put in the
Okay,
milk
tap.
after you eat. It's very strong.
Grabe, oh. Nakatapusan. Pistachio. Ikot. Yung ano, tayong pagkain. Spices. Diba? Bibili.
Honest. 60. Also 57.
37.
Tinanong niya ako.
Oo. Ano?
57, but she's looking young.
40.
She's
Yeah.
18 years.
18 years. Wow. I am 50, about 57. O sige.
Ikaw daw 60 ka raw.
Oh, yeah, yari. Hello, say hi.
Hello, how are you, my friend?
How are you, my friend?
I'm fine. You want chocolate?
She's the boss. I don't buy. She's the boss. She has the money.
For like this.
This 40 that I'm packing. 40.
How much?
1 kilo and a half kilo.
Ikot lang tayo dito. Ito yung mga ano nila.
Parang big sum rin. Na parang
Oo.
meron talaga yung...
Si Elaine binibentahan doon para sa sipon. So, yun lang. Okay, well, ano, my boss is ano, she will buy. I'm not buying because she's the boss. Bango, ah. Ano to? Walnut?
It's the guy from France with the long.
Walnut.
And I show you now Arabic dresses.
What?
My friend, I show you dresses. Arabic dresses.
Arabic dress? Okay. Ayan pa mga dress. Ito dito. Oh.
You do load for dudes.
So these are the dresses. Hi.
You want something mobile?
No, I don't. I'm not interested with the dress.
Not the dress?
No.
And,
I'm okay with this. It's a very hot in the Philippines. Very hot. Too hot.
You want mobile something? Mobile headphone
No,
cover?
no.
Which one that? Which one?
This one is action camera recording you. This one is Akaso action camera, and this one is what we call a handheld
What is
DJI. Just the one, the first. It's already 3. This is the old.
Just put it.
Okay, yeah. Ayan. So it's recording. Okay. Hello. Welcome to Dubai. Thank you for watching my vlog. And we have a very handsome guy holding the.
This one, how much?
Probably 100. 100.
Dirhams?
No,
No,
probably-
100.
So that's
It's
that.
expensive.
Okay, my friend.
This one no shaking, ah?
No shaking because of the gimbal. Okay, thank you so much.
And gimbal, which brand?
This one is a DJI. This is Akaso.
No, gimbal.
A gimbal, that's a generic. Any gimbal. It's a very cheap gimbal.
Not
No, Ronin or what? Wait, I'll just okay, wait. Okay. Pare, may namin tayo dito na pogi. Kala ko artista, celebrity. Kala ko kanina si Piolo Pascual eh.
Si Piolo Pascual pala.
Ayan ka pare, ito na
Ay,
sila.
salamat, sir.
God bless, pare
Pwede,
nga.
oh.
Buti ka pa, ganda magdamit ah. Sige nga. May namin tayo doon. Ay, ito mga spices. Ayos ah. Gold, ang dami. Ikot si Eli sa loob. So ayan, may bili na. Si Eli may bili ng mga ginto-ginto. Ito yung mga ginto. Ganda oh. Unti-unti, ikot lang tayo. Si Eli na yun, may bili doon. How much the t-shirt? T-shirt? 14? 40? 40?
Medium, large, XL.
Oh, 40.
Which one you want?
Tayo sa district kung saan maraming spices. Ayun yung famous bridge nila. Malamig ngayon. Ito Dubai. Mga bilihan. Dito kailangan marunong tumawad. Ano, malamig ano? Ay, may butas! Ay, akala ko. Timisis ko kasi ginulat ako eh. Eto mo naman may ano.
Paano kukunin ko yung ano niya?
Akala ko tinusok yung ari nung. Sabi ko merong ano eh. Pala yung kanyang inupuan wala. Napasigaw ako dito ah.